What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to change text spacing of a text in CapCut PC. So firstly what we want to do is to add a text to our timeline, like so, and after we want to make sure that it's selected. To do that, all you have to do is to click on it, and as you can see now it's selected. Then to change the character text spacing for this text, what you have to do is to select it, then you're going to text, basic, and here if you scroll down you will have the option for character. Now it's set on 0, but if we change this number to a bigger one like 5, as you can see the text becomes more loose, so the distance between each character is bigger. And for example, if we put a minus in front and we decrease the text, as you can see how tight our text is, because the distance between the letters is decreasing a lot, as you can see right here. So if you want to increase the distance between your letters, all you have to do is to put a number above 0, and if you want to decrease it, all you have to do is to put a number below 0, as you can see right here. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.